We've had so many days of nice, cool evenings and cool mornings, but 90-something already? It's not even May yet.
Right, yeah, we're seeing June normals. We're seeing even August normals for high temperatures
amazing.
right now out in the hill country. It is, and if this weren't bad enough, we've got smoke coming at us from Mexico again. It is that time of year they start doing that agricultural burning down in Mexico and Central America, and a stiff south wind will bring it all the way into central Texas. And the TCEQ tells us in our weather blog today, which you'll find here on KXAN.com, that we may see some of that smoke for the first time this spring into our area tomorrow and continuing through the weekend. That could take the air quality index down into the moderate category. So if you're sensitive to that, be aware. One more look, just in case you missed it, at the top of the broadcast, these ridiculous high temperatures this afternoon. Again, we don't have a long climate history out here in the hill country for rural locations, but we suspect these are likely record-breaking high temperatures today, including 104 southeast of Mason, 103 northwest of San Saba, 102 in the Llano area today, and generally low to mid-90s off to the east. In fact, officially at Camp Mabry, we've hit 94 degrees this afternoon. Same out at the airport, way above the average, which is 82, only 3 degrees away from the record, in fact. Skies have been a little cloudier today, but that didn't keep the temperature from shooting up. 92 is where we are right now. At 8 o'clock tonight, 85, and at 10 p.m., still quite warm with partly cloudy skies, 78 at that hour. It's still 98 out in Mason and 97 in Llano right now. Marble Falls a little cooler at 93, or less hot, hesitate to call it cool. 91 in Georgetown and Taylor, a 91 down in the Buda area. Off to the east, temperatures in the 80s to low 90s. In Austin, officially, it is mostly cloudy at 92. It is 93 at the airport with mostly cloudy skies. Dew points dropped a little bit today, so the little bit of drier air kind of counteracted the effect of the increasing clouds and allowed the temperature to get back up just as hot or hotter than it was yesterday. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, also pumping in some of that warm air. 8:06 is our sunset time tonight. Pollen count, mold a little better than yesterday, but still high at 2256. Grass and pecan, the only other pollen showing up under the microscope today. San Angelo back up to a record-breaking high temperature, 105 degrees this afternoon. Abilene down to 91, though, a little better for them today. Thicker clouds up there in that part of the state, some thunderstorms breaking out in the Panhandle. Things are beginning to change. You can tell that with the cloud cover coming. You see this low pressure area right there spinning through Arizona? Well, that low is breaking down this ridge of high pressure that's been bringing the record-breaking heat to Texas and other locations. But this low is going to move northeast up into Nebraska. It's not really going to do us much good other than help shave a few degrees off these high temperatures. In fact, 5 to 8 degrees in many locations over the next couple of days. But the front attached to that low is going to pull up stationary here in northwest Texas, and that's too far to the northwest to bring us any rainfall. Now, early next week, we'll begin to see a subtle shift in the pattern that could allow for some scattered showers or thunderstorms to develop, but as you'll see in the 7-day forecast, pretty small chances even as we head into May. Tonight, the low temperatures only falling back to the mid to upper 60s. Tomorrow, the computer models all want to keep us cooler tomorrow. I bet we still get to 90 degrees, and I bet some of you in the hill country still get close to the mid-90s, just below 100 tomorrow. Tonight, 68 with south winds at 10 to 20. Some low clouds coming in off the Gulf overnight. That'll mean cloudy skies to start the day tomorrow. Gradually, they'll begin to burn off, and then we'll get up to, let's go 90 degrees tomorrow and be optimistic. What do you say? On the 7-day forecast, morning low clouds again through the weekend with some intermittent afternoon sunshine. Should stay just below 90 degrees this weekend. And then there are those rain chances I spoke of as we head into May, which better darn be a wet month because it's supposed to. But the first few days don't look like real big chances for rainfall, Robert.
Jim, thanks.